How to use Bitcoin. In the US, people generally use Bitcoin as an alternative investment, helping diversify a portfolio apart from stocks and bonds. You can also use Bitcoin to make purchases, but the number of vendors that accept the cryptocurrency is still limited. Big companies that accept Bitcoin include Overstock, AT&T, Tesla, and Twitch. You may also find that some small local retailers or certain websites take Bitcoin, but you'll have to do some digging. That said, PayPal has announced that it will enable cryptocurrency as a funding source for purchases this year, financing purchases by automatically converting crypto holdings to fiat currency for users. They have 346 million users and they're connected to 26 million merchants, and it's huge. You can also use a service that allows you to connect a debit card to your crypto account, meaning you can use Bitcoin the same way you'd use a credit card. This also generally involves a financial provider instantly converting your Bitcoin into dollars. In other countries, particularly those with less stable currencies, people sometimes use cryptocurrency instead of their own currency. Bitcoin provides an opportunity for people to store value without relying on a currency that is backed by a government. It gives people an option to hedge for a worst-case scenario. You're already seeing people in countries like Venezuela, Argentina, Zimbabwe, and countries heavily in debt. Bitcoin is getting tremendous traction. That said, when you use Bitcoin as a currency, not an investment, in the US, you do have to be aware of certain tax implications. Thanks for watching.